Hi, my name is Christina Troy, and this is my second reflective project for Miss Troy's geometry class. Okay, this first skill is called needle, and it represents a line segment, which is all points between two given endpoints. The base's legs in this skill, right here, represent a line segment since they form a 180-degree line that ends at each of her feet, right there. This next skill is called table on table, and there are many angles in the skill that form 90-degree angles, which is why table on table depicts a right angle. The bases and middle's legs form two separate right angles, right here, because they are bent at a 90-degree angle. Okay, this skill is called Candlestick, and the base in the middle, so this is the base and this is the middle, form a set of parallel lines. The lines of their bodies, if they were to continue on forever like this, would never touch, which is precisely the definition of parallel lines. Okay, this skill is called TP, and it represents a pentagon, which is a five-sided polygon. The pentagon is formed with two sides being the base's legs, so here and there, two sides being the base's torsos and arms, so right there, and the last side being the floor. Okay, this next skill is called wide straddle, and it represents an isosceles triangle since two sides of the three-sided polygon are the same length. The base's legs represent the two congruent sides of an isosceles triangle, while the top's legs make up the last non-congruent side of the triangle. This next skill is scorpion, and it represents an exterior angle. An exterior angle is an angle that is formed by a polygon's extended side and that extended side's adjacent side. In this skill, the base forms a triangle, one side being her calves, one side being her torso and thighs, and the last side being the floor. The exterior angle is formed by the base's torso and thighs, and the floor's extended side, which is highlighted by the base's extended arms. Next, we have Eiffel Tower, which contains quadrilaterals, which are four-sided polygons. The base's body, along with the floor, creates the first quadrilateral, while the middle's body, along with the base's body, creates the second quadrilateral. Tuck support is our next skill, and the base's straight bodies create perpendicular lines with their arms, which means that their arms and their bodies act as intersecting lines that form a 90-degree angle. Cocoon forms a few acute angles, which are angles that are less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees. One of the acute angles is formed by the ground and the base's legs, and the second acute angle is formed by the base's legs and the middle's body. Y-scale is a skill that forms an obtuse angle with the person's legs, right here and right there. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Finally, we have ring, which represents a circle, which is a set of all points equidistant from a center point. This whole person's body forms the circle. Thank you to all of the athletes from Air Athletics that performed these skills and helped me make this project possible.